Hello, my name is Donnie Charlevoix, founder of Superior Packaging and Finishing just south of Boston. Never in the history of this nation have we been faced with such a dire threat as COVID-19. As the largest trade finisher in the U.S., we have been tasked by our state officials to help offset the shortage of the much-needed N95 face masks so desperately needed by our hospitals across the nation. As more information emerges, we now know that it is spread more rapidly by droplets than airborne contamination. In an effort to combat the shortage of protective masks in our hospitals across the country, the Superior team has consulted healthcare professionals and designed the Superior Defensive Shield. While not designed to replace respirators, the Superior Defense Shield is designed to help prevent and protect people from spreading the virus.
To learn more about this project, please go to www.superiordefensemask.com. Thank you very much and stay safe.